Hello there. So another day at the house and another day where I'm almost late to school, so I can't bring my camera, or else I'll be even later. Yeah. I'm gonna try and remember to bring it tomorrow, but sorry. Right now I'm cleaning a bathtub because it's really gross. I don't think you really need to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway because I can do what I want. Oh. Hey. Hey. What you doing? Hi. Come here. Come here, poop head. How are you? Oh. Oh my gosh. My room is so empty without all of my posters. But I'm pretty sure that birch beer is like my new obsessive drink because like look at all of its glory. Just look at it. Yeah, it's just so birchy. It's delicious. That's so. No comment? Ming, comment. Comment. Oh, what's happening? No? You're just chilling? Okay. Well, aren't you cute? Oh, damn it, you moved. Hey. Hey, stupid. What you doing? You look confused. Oh. Sniff, sniff, sniff.